Okay guys, I have my carburetors off of my Honda 40 and wasn't running good. And when you gave it the gas, it wouldn't accelerate properly, and I'm sure they just need to be cleaned. So anyway, you want to take it all off in one unit. I showed you that earlier. You just unbolt these and take off a few hoses and take it all off at once. But what I wanted to show you guys is right here. A lot of people don't know is there's an actual sacrificial like anode that you can buy. Mine looks pretty good. There's a little bit of, right there. But I've come in and seen these where they're like completely gone. And this is what keeps your engine block from disintegrating. So if you got to take it apart, you should always look at that and make sure that it's not disintegrated. And if it is, it's like a $10 part. Things that you want to order when you want to get a new gasket, of course, right? And then in between the carburetors, there's two gaskets right here. All right, two gaskets. Now inside the carburetor, there's actually the rubber O-ring that's on the bowl. And then there's basically two more small little rubber O-rings that go inside of the jets. So usually that's what I get. I get one of these. There's going to be six of these because there's one on the inside and outside. And then you get the set for three of the gaskets and the little O-rings. And I'll show you guys here in a little bit. But right now, that's the sacrificial anode.